Welcome to day one of the official build series of this G80 M3 GTR wide body build. I am so hyped to finally get this project started. We have all the components around us. We have all the tools. My team is ready to go. This project is definitely going to be an exciting one. So in today's video, guys, our primary goal is to fully disassemble the G80 M3. We really want to see how everything looks underneath. We really want to get a good idea of the bare bones of this car. And honestly, guys, we've uninstalled a lot of parts on this car before, from hood, fenders, side skirts. But now that we're going to be installing the G80 GTR body kit on it, there's a little bit of a different approach that we're going to have to take. So right now, we're going to get all the guys in. We're going to start fully disassembling. This is going to be an exciting one. Guys, I promise you, please subscribe. We have so much insane content coming with this build. This is hands down going to be the craziest G80 M3s to ever hit the streets. And the biggest plus in all this is that you can purchase this kit and put it on your G80 M3 itself. But yeah, guys, let's jump into the video. I'm so hyped to get this build series started. It's going to be an exciting one. So we're officially going to be doing some disassembling, guys. As you can see, we're already removing some fender liners. Next plan of attack is probably going to be either from bumper or the fenders or the hood. It can go either way, but our primary focus right now is going to be to remove everything in the front end and get this car into its bare bones. Take one last look at it. It's not gonna look like this for long, guys. Yeah, the fender liners could be stubborn a little bit sometimes.
Yeah.
So we already took the fender liners off from the driver's side. We're just finishing up fender liner removal on the passenger side. There it is. The wifey's calling?
Nah, he called me earlier.
Yeah. We don't need you anymore. So guys, we're officially taking the front bumper off right now. We got all the trims, all the plastics off. We're just getting all the Torx bolts removed. Next is going to be, we're gonna have to remove the bolts on the left and right of the front bumper. Probably some underneath, and she should be good to come off. There it goes. Yeah.
And then just pretty much
Match it.
But pretty much it will be the same shape.
Okay.
But I don't know if you wanna go. I don't know if you wanna go all the way through here. Cause let's say if we go, if we do like just like a little, how you say, bubble?
Bubble, yeah. Kind of more similar to how this is.
We had to do it on the bumper too. Yeah, this one comes with a bumper, right?
Yeah, there may be a clip under here we might have to take off, and then we just got to unplug all PDC sensors, the front camera.
I think just that.
Next up on the list, guys, is we're going to be removing the rear fender liners because we're not going to need those guys anymore. We'll possibly be making some larger fender liners so they can fit in with the new body kit, but those are future plans, so those aren't set yet. But guys, we were able to remove the front bumper, but I also wanted to give you guys a clear difference of each bumper and what to expect. So as you can see, the bottom one is the OEM one, and the top one is the first of the first, the G80 GTR wide body. Looks crazy. A lot more aggressive. Everything is a single piece. Massive lip, CSL grille. We are going to do some updates to the lower vents in some areas around where the badge goes. But for the most part, the front bumper will stay the same. Cannot wait to see this thing on the G80. It's gonna look absolutely nuts. Up next, guys, is we're gonna be removing the rear bumper. We're getting some of the carpet liners removed out of the way so we can get these taillights easier out. And yeah, it's a pretty simple process of just a lot of bolts and clips. Let me show you guys how many clips we've recovered. Look at this. Right here. Oh, because those ones need to stay. Those ones need to stay.
Right here.
Yeah. I'll get you one right here. Here it is. There it is.
Shit.
I was just about to tell him to throw it in the pile over here, all these screws, but those ones are gonna stay in the trunk because those are specific to the trunk, and those ones we're gonna put back. So we officially got the rear bumper off. All the trims, all the clips, all the PDC sensors, everything was officially removed. We put the carpet lining back in its place just for now, but we're probably gonna have to move it out once we put the taillights back in. But we're making a lot of progress on the rear. We're still unsure if we're gonna take the side skirts off today, but right now what we're doing is we're loosening the front so we can get both fenders off. So right now we're targeting the driver's side fender. It's about 90% there. But once all the clips and everything are removed, we're gonna go ahead and take it out and do the same with the passenger side. Then next, we're probably gonna move to the hood, and then we're possibly gonna be test fitting a bumper, hood, and the fenders today. But I'm not too sure if I'll show you guys that in this video, so you guys need to subscribe so you guys can see that on the next vlog, because it's gonna look absolutely insane. But tons of progress is being made, and we cannot wait to see this thing come to life slowly but surely. So that's gonna wrap it up on episode 1 of our first official build series on building the world's first G80 M3 GTR wide body kit. We made a lot of progress today. We got everything disassembled that we wanted to. We got the rear bumper off, both fenders, the hood, the front bumper. We did not take the side skirts off just yet because we have something in mind that we'll eventually show you guys later on in an episode, but we made tons of progress and we're very happy where things are going, and we cannot wait to see this kit fully done on the car. And probably a lot are gonna ask, so is there gonna be a trunk with the kit? What do you guys plan to do with the kit? When it comes to the trunk, we're gonna do a pretty crazy wing that you guys will have to stay tuned and see. It's gonna be insane. But with all that being said, make sure you guys comment down below if you have any questions in regards to the build, in regards to the kit. If you own a G80 and you're interested in possibly getting a kit for your car, we definitely can take care of you guys. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and we will catch you guys on the next episode.